So Samsung dropped the Galaxy S25 Edge and the internet lost its mind. But here's the real question. Is it truly worth the hype, or are we all being finessed by the design? Today, I'm breaking down what's really inside that ultra-slim titanium body, what works, what doesn't, and whether you should actually spend over $1,000 on it. If you like tech videos that skip the BS and get straight to the point, go ahead, like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've got questions. Let's get into it. First off, yes, this phone is stupidly thin, like barely thicker than a USB-C port thin. At 5.8 millimeters and only 163 grams, the S25 Edge is Samsung's lightest flagship to date. They used a titanium frame and Gorilla Glass ceramic too for extra durability. The display, honestly, it's one of the best in the game. You're getting a 6.7-inch QHD Plus AMOLED panel with LTPO tech, meaning it adapts between 1 Hz and 120 Hz for battery efficiency. Oh, and it gets crazy bright with 2600 nits brightness. That's brighter than an iPhone 15 Pro Max and makes using it outdoors a breeze. Under the hood, it's rocking the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, basically a boosted version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Paired with 12 gigs of RAM, this thing flies. Multitasking, gaming, even 4K editing, it doesn't stutter. And here's the kicker. Despite being ultra-thin, Samsung squeezed in a solid vapor chamber cooling system. It doesn't overheat under pressure, which is impressive for something this slim. Now, the camera setup might feel a bit safe. You get a 200-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, but no dedicated telephoto lens. Samsung leans hard on AI zoom here, which isn't bad, but it's not real optical zoom either. That said, the phone is loaded with Galaxy AI and Google Gemini tools. You've got AI photo cleanup, audio eraser, and live translate during calls. Basically, if you like your phone to feel like it's from the future, this one delivers. Here's where things get a little meh. The battery is 3,900 mAh, smaller than the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra, and while the chip helps with efficiency, it's not a battery champ. Charging is also kind of mid-tier, 25-watt wired and 15 watts wireless. Not slow, but not blowing minds either. If you're a heavy user, you'll probably need to top it up in the evening. Alright, let's get real. Is the Galaxy S25 Edge overpriced or underrated? If you're into super slim phones, cutting-edge AI, and a premium feel in your hand, this phone delivers. But if you care more about zoom photography, long battery life, or fast charging, the S25 Plus might be the smarter choice. It's the same price and offers a bit more balance. So yeah, it's a bit of both. Overrated if you chase raw specs, underrated if you value form and finesse. But that's just my take. What do you think? Is Samsung pushing innovation or just charging more for less? Drop a comment below. I reply to everyone. If this helped you out, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more tech.